Good morning and welcome to the new Gen 3 AW Test Centre, so named in memory of my father and Andrew's grandfather, Arthur William Naisbitt, hence the AW. He always wanted to be called AW for reasons beyond my comprehension, but this represents one of the most important developments in the history of the company, and we already celebrate 56 years of existence. So what I would like to just show you is this tech centre allows us to demonstrate all of the equipment for which we are now deeply involved with a number of significant principals, all of whom have a major contribution to the electronics industry in every regard. Trying to get reliability in electronics is not an easy task, so we start effectively from dealing with bare board production all the way through to final assembly. So we have a history going back for the electronics industry that goes back to 1982. So it's been a major milestone, and I'm talking about equipment, but let's just say time marches ever forward, and whilst I have no intentions of retiring, I handed over the reins to my son Andrew, who is the third generation, and as Andrew is actually doing a better job than I did, why not? So with no further ado, over to the company's CEO, my son Andrew.
Thank you. So as a continuation of what Graham's just said, you know, this technical centre that we've developed here was born out of an idea probably about 4 years ago of really how can we better serve our customers. You know, service and supporting our customers is such a bedrock of what we do. And really one area that we were really missing was a showroom, technical centre, where a place where we can bring customers, a place where we can do trials, where we can do demonstrations, where we can do all sorts of different paraphernalia, and working with the principals that we do, being able to best represent them is something that I believe hugely about to help move us forward in this industry. So it's an offering whereby we can best represent our partners, principals for who we distribute for in the UK, as well as representing our partners that we represent globally. One such behind me with the hats machine, partnered with RAS, with Bob Nevers over in China and America. And 4 years ago, this idea basically was in my head with what we can do, and through a combination of COVID, through a combination of delays with building work, which is seemingly inevitable in anything we do these days, it's culminated with a 9.5 month build for a six-phase project where we've redone our front office area, we've redone all of our toilets, we've put in a new mezzanine, we've put in a brand new engineering office. We're now double floor in the whole factory, totaling around 10,500 square feet. And to see it all come together and be complete is amazing. And I'm super delighted and proud of the team that we've got here to make a tech centre that looks so great. And then finally, one of the key things that we have is our new test service centre, our test lab, where we conduct a lot of R&D things, as well as be able to provide test service work to the industry. So everything that we make and a lot of things that we distribute in the UK, we also offer as test service work, just as another thing that we can help support customers with in the UK. So in whole, I'm so proud of the team, so proud of what we've been able to produce here, and I'm really excited for the future.